Yo, I know you have seen them. The crazy AI videos absolutely breaking the algorithm on TikTok and YouTube right now. I am talking about those dramatic fruit stories, hyper-realistic character scenes, and wild movie-style animations getting millions of views. And the question is always the same. How are people making these so fast? Normally, it is a total nightmare. You need one AI for images, a second one to animate them, another tool for voices, a random site for music, and then you have to drag everything into an editor just to pray it looks good. But today, I am putting you on to the ultimate cheat code. It is a platform called Flova AI, and we are going to build a viral-style video and a high-end product commercial using just one conversational workflow. By the end of this, you will see exactly how to remix content, edit the results, and honestly, how to use this to make some serious money. All right, welcome to the Flova dashboard. Let's explore real quick. If I click right here on the Models tab, you can see it gives us access to over 20 elite video engines under the hood, like Cdance 2.0, Cdance Mini, and Happy Horse 1.0. This is huge because viral trends change in like a week. Today, we are going to use its Skills tab to make a viral video and a high-end product commercial. Next, let's explore the reference to video remix skill. This is one of the easiest ways to turn an existing viral video into something completely new. First, we need a reference video. So I'll head over to TikTok and search for some viral AI story videos. Here's an interesting one. It tells a story of betrayal, revenge, and redemption. I'll download it and use it as my reference.
Come on, get up. I'm not going to let your father get away with this anymore.
Now, back inside Flova, I'll click Use Skill and upload the downloaded video. Instead of creating a video from scratch, I'm asking Flova to remix the original. I'll enter a detailed prompt. Replace the characters with a villainous wolf and a betrayed fox family. Keep the same story, the same pacing, and the same emotional journey while giving it a completely new visual style. Now, I'll click Generate. Flova immediately starts analyzing the uploaded video. It extracts keyframes, studies the pacing, and understands how the original story unfolds. Next, it asks which format I want. I'll choose Vertical Viral Format. For audio, I'll select Create New English Audio. Then I'll click Send. Flova now creates the complete video specification. This is the blueprint for the entire remake. It outlines the story, the pacing, the visual direction, and how everything will be recreated. Take a moment to review it. Everything looks good. So now, build storyboard. Flova transforms that blueprint into a complete scene-by-scene storyboard. Every major moment is mapped out, making it easy to review the entire flow before any video generation begins. Everything looks great, so I'll type, Move on, storyboard looks great, and send it. Now comes one of the most impressive parts. Flova starts generating the character and environment reference images. These references become the visual foundation for the entire project. Take a look at the wolf. It has a strong cinematic look, with realistic fur, detailed lighting, and expressive facial features. Now look at the fox family. Each character has its own personality while still matching the same artistic style. Even the supporting characters, like the hyena and the police bear, fit perfectly into the story. The environments are just as impressive. Every location shares the same lighting, color palette, and cinematic quality. Together, these references ensure the final video stays visually consistent from beginning to end. Everything looks exactly how I imagined it, so I'll type Approved and send it. Now Flova begins generating the final video clips. Using the approved references, it recreates each scene while following the structure of the original video. Let's see how it turned out. Here's the dramatic fire escape, the treasure discovery, the wolf's downfall. The pacing feels natural, the characters stay consistent, and the entire story has been transformed into something fresh while preserving what made the original video so engaging. That's the power of reference to video remix. Instead of starting from a blank page,
You can use an existing viral structure and turn it into an original, high-quality video in just a few guided steps.
Dad, Mommy, look what I found!
Give it here, beggar.
Honey, what are you doing?
Mommy, why Dad did this?
I don't know, my sweet little girl.
Look! What is this? Come on, get up! I am not going to let your father get away from this.
Arrest him!
Now, let's dive into the product commercial skill. First up, we need a product to sell, right? So I'm just hopping over to Bing Images. I'll find a cool photo of these 5 Prime bottles and copy the image link. Back in Flova, let's go ahead and click Use Skill to open up our fresh project workspace. If we click inside the prompt box, we can just paste that image link right in. Now, for the prompt, I'm going to ask it to create a 15-second cinematic brand commercial. I'll tell it to keep that exact side-by-side bottle lineup, but put them on these clean, color-matching geometric blocks. And let's ask for some high-contrast studio lighting against a pitch-black background to make it look super premium. Hit Generate. Flova instantly outlines the video specs for us, giving us a clear brief on exactly how it is going to build this out. Then, it maps out a full storyboard. If we take a quick look, everything is perfectly structured. Now, Flova automatically suggests what we should do next. Let's click the option to generate our reference images and hit Send. Oh wow, look at these. The generated references look absolutely incredible. Gives us some new prompt recommendations to keep the momentum going. So let's select the option to generate all our short video clips. All right, let's review what it just made. They look smooth, sure, but if I'm being honest, they just don't have that aggressive energy drink vibe we need. I'm just typing in, let's make it aggressive. Give me a hyper-realistic macro shot of the bottles slamming onto dark, wet ice, with a slow-mo water splash erupting right behind them. Let's add some neon backlighting and forcefully push the camera in. Let's hit enter and apply those changes. You can actually see the storyboard updating right in front of us. Let's check out the new images. Yes, that is the exact neon look I wanted. It is generating fresh video clips based on this new style now. So let's check out the motion. Okay, these visuals are amazing. The clips are stunning. But if we listen to the default sound effects, they feel a bit weak. Let's write a quick prompt asking for highly realistic sound effects instead. Flova updates the audio layer instantly. Let's take a listen. Wow, that ice and water splash sounds incredibly realistic now. Now we can move on to the background music. Flova gives us 2 different tracks to choose from. Let's preview them. Oh yeah, that beat is a perfect fit. I'll select the second track option and hit Send.
The finished commercial drops right onto our editing timeline. You could literally sell this exact file to a brand today. Tool juggling is officially dead. Instead of spending over $100 a month on 5 different fragmented AI subscriptions, Flova gives you the entire creative team, the elite models, and the editing suite in one connected workspace for just $19 a month. It saves you money, cuts your production time to minutes, and lets you focus on what actually matters, going viral. So, stop killing your workflow, click the link in the description, and go build your content empire.